This is Joel from Woolich Racing Tech Support. In this video, we're going to cover ECU communication errors. So what happens is there's quite a few errors that can occur if the harness isn't installed correctly. We have failed sync baud rate, failed to communicate, and COM port not open. These errors can occur in both reading and writing to the ECU. So the first things we want to look at is the harness installation. So we want to make sure that the pins on each harness is fully seated and at full depth and the correct pin orientation. So we'll check these and we'll reconnect. We'll check the 8-pin Molex connector, make sure all the pins are at full depth and none of the pins have pulled out. We can even pull on each pin to ensure that they're securely connected. We can check the diagnostics plug. Make sure all the pins are fully seated in both the male and female plugs. Next we want to check the wire installation on the ECU plug. So remove the ECU and disconnect the plug. What we're going to look for is to make sure that each pin that we've inserted is at full depth. You can do this by pushing down the wire and physically checking to see the pin is at full depth. Also, we can refer back to the user guide to make sure that each colour wire is in the correct pin out. Also, gently pull on the wires just to make sure they're securely located. Always make sure you're using the correct harness for the motorcycle. And you can do this by referring to the user guide section and comparing to make sure you've got the correct harness.